Hello my friends, how are you? I do hope you're well. If you're from the UK, are you enjoying this heat? We're all moaning about it. I think it reached 32 on my phone yesterday, and just like I was saying to a friend in Texas, to a friend of mine in Texas, they laugh at us because we're moaning about the heat. People say, try living in Australia. You know, you've got aircon. You have air conditioning. No, you've got air conditioning. We don't have that here. And it's a completely different heat. Over here, it's just like muggy. If you've gone to a butterfly enclosure, you know, you walk in and there's that heat, and it's that heat, that humid heat that hits you. That's what it's like. Have I got a red nose? I've got a red nose. That's what it's like. Like you can't breathe, you can't sleep. So yes, we do moan. I know we do moan, but honestly, it's horrible. I know we do moan, but it's horrible. This is a bit of a chatty vlog. I have got my fan on. Probably will hear that. Every now and again, I don't know what's wrong with it. It goes to take off. It goes to take off like vroom, vroom. So I don't know what's wrong with it. But I'm going to make some earrings today. I've got some cabochons that haven't sold. I don't think anyone's ever bought any. I've had them a while, and I think they're funky, and I think they are so funky, so I'm going to make some earrings and put them on the website. A few things first. One of my amazing YouTube friends, Angela, she's so supportive of my channel. I don't mean she doesn't make jewellery. She does lots for helping rescue stray cats. We have the most amazing, beautiful friendship, and we actually met on YouTube when I did a video about the loss of my cat Lucy, who was in her 20s. We have the most beautiful emails that go backwards and forwards, and oh, it's lovely. She means so much to me, and I know she's having an operation. She's currently having an operation. So if you can send prayers, healing thoughts, healing vibes her way. And get well soon, my special friend. I do hope you're all having a lovely day. I hope you have good health. If you're having a bad day, I hope tomorrow will be much better for you. I know there's a lot of people out there feeling really fed up at the moment. I know we've got the school holidays coming up. So money is a big worry for lots of people, keeping the children entertained. I always did craft with my daughter. I mean, you'll be amazed what you can make out of bits and bobs lying around at home. Where I used to live, I was lucky I had a park opposite Blaze Castle, and I used to basically go there all day, do a packed lunch. I would be doing like a puzzle book or reading a book. She would be playing in the park, and I know it is a worry, isn't it? Also, I want to do a shout out to a relatively new YouTuber, and his name is Plod on Steady. I'm going to link his video below. As you know, you've seen me do videos of like days out, which I can't currently do. I think it's called plantar fasciitis, and it's so painful. It is so painful. I've tried all sorts, and always walked barefoot, like when I'm at home. There's a load of Canadian geese going over, but I don't think the camera will pick it up because of the fan. But I've tried all sorts. I've iced it. I've tried icing it, which to me makes it worse. Oh, I'm living in Crocs. Oh, I've just got an order come up. If you can give any tips, I am in agony. I'm currently living in Crocs. I've got my daughter's graduation. She's finished medical school to become a doctor. I'm very proud mummy of that. I've already told her I've got to wear Crocs. I'm going to have to wear Crocs, and I can't walk far. I've got a hobble, so that's going to be lots of fun. Her university is up a lot these steps again, and then bought special insoles. Because of Crohn's, I can't take anti-inflammatories, but I have been buying, you know, the gel you rub on your, it's a heel of my foot, so you know the gel you rub on your foot. I've tried Tiger Balm, all sorts of things I've been rubbing, massaging my foot. If you've got any tips, please let me know in the comments below. If you've got any tips, stretching, I'm doing stretching, and I'm one of these that, you know, I mean, it's hard to get a doctor's appointment now, isn't it? And I'm one of these allergies. I've got to be really bad to go to the doctors, but it is something I'm contemplating right now. Now, as you know, I live in Bristol, UK. Watch my videos from all over the world, which still amazes me, which, you know, someone watching little old me. Now, Plod On Steady has done a video of where I live. Now, this is the actual Bristol harbour side. Although I don't live on the harbour side, I'm not that far from it. So I will link the video down below in the description for you. Please check it out. You know, thank you to all your support. I have reached monetization, reached it in May. I will do a video just as soon as I get a payment. No, I still haven't got a payment. I haven't reached that threshold. So, you know, lots of people think it's an overnight success. It's no, not at all. It's literally pennies. I didn't want to jinx anything. I wanted to do a video. The actual process isn't what I thought it would be. So for all of those that have watched my videos, commented on my videos, thank you so much. You don't have to buy from my website to support me and my fur babies. So let's make these earrings, because I can feel I'm starting to get hot. So what am I going to use today? So these are, let me just show you. These are the cabochons, okay? I'll just get 2 of each. And they have an image, a photo image behind. And depending on what the image is, how much artwork has gone into it, who has made them, they can vary in prices. And I literally have thousands on my website, and I do try to cater for all different tastes. I do also have a 10% discount at the moment, so please do go and check that out. I've made some price reductions as well. Lots of new products, lots of stickers, people who do journaling. But these are the cabochons. They are made of glass. They have an image glued underneath, but they just haven't sold. I have got the light, you will see a circle from the ring light. But I absolutely love these. They're like, when I make them, I'll twirl them around so you can see, and it's almost psychedelic. I think this is like a rose one. So I'm going to be using those. Earrings, I like working with stainless steel because it's anti-tarnish, and for most people hypoallergenic as well. But I do sell all sorts over on the website. I've got some bullet backs for them. I thought I'll just put them onto these jewellery cards. They're small. Normally I would use a large jewellery card. I don't have any here to show you. Glue. People always ask me, what glue do you use? Or you can just go to, whether you're going to a discount store, if you're in America, Dollar Tree, and just pick up super glue. These are very easy to make, and it's just something I'm going to add on the website and Etsy. Small amount in the middle, and you just push them in. Sometimes you have to give them a bit of a click, but usually they go in easily. Let's do the other one. So these are 12 millimeters. The cabochons are 12 millimeters, and the settings are 12 millimeters. Again, people wonder, sometimes people will buy 10 millimeters and then buy 12 millimeters. But I do say on the listing what they'll fit. I have to get some more glue. Make sure you've got, if you are using what I'm using, this is the B7000. Make sure you've got ventilation because it is quite strong. thrown them everywhere. Right, the last one. I'll just pop the lid on that because it will go hard otherwise. I think they're so cool. I really like these. Great for those festivals as well. Gosh, we just had Glastonbury here, and oh, I take one look and it's like, oh, I don't like crowds. I do not do crowds. I can't do crowds. And it's just like, I feel panic when I see. I'm quite happy watching it from the TV. Oh, I like Lewis Capaldi's song. His new song. That was so sweet. That was so sweet. Do you like Lewis Capaldi's new song? I like that. So we just pop those on the earring card with a back. I made this one. Did I tell you? I made this one as well. Chakra. So there's our earrings. What do you think? Would you wear earrings? Would you wear those? I like those. So I'm going to take some photos, get these on the website. Again, these will have 10% off as well. All my jewellery is free postage, and I do send to USA and Canada. So thank you so much for your orders that you've sent me. Please like this video. If you can, leave a comment down below. Fantastic. It just helps the YouTube algorithm share my videos out to more people. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you, everyone.